Yeah, hello there. Welcome to this video. Let's take a quick look at the question. As used in line number 38, housed is more similar in meaning to which other word used in the passage. Let's go to line 38 and let's quickly read the meaning of the word housed. The music teacher shut the cases with a succession of curt clicks that leaves the string she sighed, leading the way back into the noonday blaze and into the main building where the violins, violas, cellos and the double basses were housed. So here we get the context of housed here. So where the violins, violas, cellos and the double basses were housed. Now what we're going to do next? We're going to use process of elimination that don't fit the answer. First of all, basically we're going to predict our own answer. So let's come up with our own answer. Let's come up with something like where the violins, violas, cellos and the double basses were kept. Okay, where they were stored. Right, so we have come up with something like kept or stored. Now we're going to use process of elimination. We're going to see which option is close to kept or stored. Let's look at option A, covered, option B, moved, option C, stored. Yes, we have that here clearly, and option D, open. So option C is very close to what we have. In fact, we have predicted the same word here, so we can be sure that option C should be the right answer. So this is what we did. We replaced the word with our own definition. So we came up with something like sheltered, something that accommodated, right? The instruments, we use process of elimination. A, B, D can be eliminated, and we left with option C, where they were stored. So this would be the correct method to do vocab in context questions.